Don't let the mspdb80 Library DLL stop your apps from running. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is the safe method to clear it for good. As we prepare to fix mspdb80 library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the mspdb80 library, the Microsoft Program Database v8.0 module. It manages the unmanaged localized creation and localized reading of localized symbol.pdb files for localized Visual Studio 2005 localized development environments. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Reinstalling Visual C++ 2005 Debugger will typically resolve this error. From Microsoft's website, download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and install them. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing mspdb80 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Replacing mspdb80 library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to mspdb80 library management. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter mspdb80 library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.